Thinking about deleting your ChatGPT account and want to do it directly from your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your ChatGPT account in just a few simple steps. First, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. Once the app opens, tap on the two-line menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu where your chats and account options are located. Now look toward the top area of the menu and tap on your profile picture or account name. A new settings page will appear with different account and privacy options. Here, scroll until you find Data Controls. Tap on it to continue. Inside this section, you'll see settings related to your chat history, account data, and privacy management. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. Look for the option called Delete Account before continuing. Keep in mind that deleting your account is usually permanent, which means your chats, history, and account access may no longer be recoverable later. If you're sure you want to continue, tap on Delete Account. The app may ask you to confirm the action again for security purposes. Tap Delete or Confirm once more. After that, a pop-up may appear asking you to log out of the app. Tap on Log Out to finish the process, and that's it. Thanks for watching.